When you think of first aid, you probably think of physical wounds, but what about the wounds you cannot see?
One organization says it's important to recognize the signs of mental health crises. Evan Papalis joins us live with more. Evan.
Dennis, Alicia, Community Services Group held a mental health first aid training today to help adults learn how to help the youth cope when going through a crisis.
It's critical that the community is involved in this.
In mental health first aid trainings for youth, Wednesday's training saw attendees from jobs that work with children or those who are curious and want to learn a new skill that can be life-saving.
We know this training is an evidence-based practice, meaning that if people practice it and use it the way that we have instructed them, it works. And I think that really speaks to why people come. And hopefully when they walk out of here today, they walk out of here with a set of skills.
Lisa Bashi is the Director of Mental Health First Aid for Community Services Group, or CSG, an organization Lancaster General Health partners with. CSG has been providing mental health first aid training since 2009, the first organization in Lancaster County to provide such trainings.
It's thinking about how do we give people skill sets, how do we build confidence, right, as both as a prevention and an intervention. So this conversation is really about how do we do that.
Research from the Pennsylvania Youth Survey revealed 38% of youth experience sadness and depression on most days. That's why skills learned at the training are more important now than ever.
It's not scary. We're not asking people to be clinicians, but so often people get so afraid of, well, if I say something, is that going to make it worse? And we know it's not, and that's why this training is so important.
According to the CDC, suicide is the second leading cause of death for people aged 10 to 34, leading to many organizations trying to change that. Factory Ministries hosted the training and believes it fits into their mission, alongside helping impoverished families.
And as we look at resources, there's financials a part of that, but there's also mental, intellectual resources, physical resources, spiritual resources, emotional resources. It takes all of us.
And CSG will be hosting other mental health trainings coming up that are free and open to the public. You can head over to our website, abc27.com, for more information on that. In Lancaster, Evan Papalis, ABC 27 News.